Welcome back to another video, guys. For those who are new, I'm Brittney and I make fashion and content, but more importantly, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I am straightening my hair. This is going to be the second time I'm straightening it after I dyed it. And to be completely honest, I need a major haircut. Like, after dyeing it, my split ends just got so bad, and the only way I go to get my hair cut is by me straightening my hair, because my hairdresser, or don't get me wrong, she can cut my hair when it's curly, but it just takes so much time, and I honestly don't have the patience for that, so I straighten my hair before I go see my hairdresser. So I thought I'd show you how I straighten my hair, just because my hair is just not normal hair to deal with already. So, and then plus dyed it, so it's even more complicated. So I thought I'd just show you the products I use, what I do, and all that fun stuff. So if you're interested, continue to watch. But before we get into the video, remember to like and subscribe and turn on that post notification bell so you guys are always reminded when I post a new video. But let's get into the video. Alrighty, so first things first. I like to get me some water, because normally my hair takes me about 2 hours, maybe longer. So I'm sitting here the whole time, and I do it obviously in the bathroom, as you guys can see, but I also do it with the door shut, just because my hair tends to steam up. So I'll sit here with the fan on just so the smoke doesn't get throughout the house, which makes me hot. So I got my water. But first things first, I did go ahead and wash my hair this morning, and the only product that I put in it was this one, and it is just a leave-in conditioner, pure honey, cream of natural, breakage for dry damaged hair, which I got because after dyeing my hair definitely is like damaged. And it just has pure honey, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter. So after I shower, when my hair is wet, before I comb it out, I put some of this in, and it makes it so soft. So I definitely recommend. But also in the shower, I put on a hair mask, also by the same brand, and it smells so good, and I feel like in the shower it makes my hair so smooth. So I've been using these products as of recently. I also, well, if you're also straightening your hair, you're also going to need a handy dandy brush. I use the bigger brush the better, just because I don't know if it helps my hair now, just because I've seen a lot of breakage as of recently, so I feel like I need to change my comb. But I just use a big comb just because it just gets more of my hair, so I'm not sitting here for longer trying to comb it out. And then also you're gonna need heat protection, like for sure. So I have 2 heat protections right now. Usually I like to use the got2b Guardian Angel, just because it just does the job. And I've been using this one for a really long time now. But ever since I went to Sweden, I got this like little hair package, and I've been using this one. I don't know if you guys know it, but it's a professional 𝙲𝙗 Trilliant Thermal Protection and Shimmer Complex. So I think today I'm just gonna go ahead and use this one again. But heat protection is definitely key, so you can protect your hair. And if you've gone ahead and bleached it like me, you for sure need this product. So I got all my products. Oh yeah, and then the hair straightener is the Curl Master. I don't know where I picked it up. I had this for years, and it works so well that my mom actually got me another one back in the day, and we still haven't opened it. Like, this is the very first one I've gotten, and it's just wide and all that stuff, and it just works wonders. The inside looks gross, but I mean, it does the job. So definitely got use out of it. You could definitely tell. But first things first, I need to comb out my hair again. After in the shower, I comb out my hair. And then after I shower, I comb it out again. And then now I'm gonna comb it out one last time, just so that it's just easier for me to straighten. But this is the little before, and now I'm gonna go ahead and comb it out, and I'll come back and talk to you guys. Alrighty, my hair is all combed out, as you guys can see. Oh boy, some of my hair is just like really damaged, like really bad, and I really need a haircut. But we're just gonna go on with this video. My hair feels actually really soft. I feel like some people recommend to blow dry your hair, which I have tried, but for me, what works best is just letting my hair air dry and then going in when it's dry, of course, and straightening it that way. I feel like it just gets flatter that way. I feel like when I blow dry it, it tends to stay a little puffy, but when I don't, it seems just to like go pin straight. So that is just one little thing that I do, I feel like maybe differently, but yeah. So now I honestly, like before, I had my hair split in half. So that's how I'm gonna do it. Usually I start off with this side because there's so much more hair on this side of my head. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and pin this one up so it's out of the way, and probably get another clip so that I can hold this one in, and then we're just gonna get started. Obviously I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward through this just because it's a lot of hair, and I don't think you guys want to sit here for 2 hours watching me straighten my hair. Or maybe you do, but this is not going to be the video for it. I'm sorry. So yeah, oh yeah, the temperature. I should probably say the temperature. I always have the temperature on the highest, which is 450, and wait for it to warm up and just prep my hair. So right now I am like hooked on this podcast, and it's called Enjoy the Podcast. I know, what a name. But it's of these 3 guys, and they just talk about love, relationship, and all that other stuff. And I feel like I just am hooked onto this podcast just because I feel like it just gives me an insight on how guys actually think about certain topics. And I feel like it's just refreshing to hear their side of things. So I'm currently watching that right now, and I'll probably be watching that throughout straightening my hair. But I don't know if you guys noticed, like when I was combing out my hair, I was listening to it and I was kind of laughing and smiling. I don't know if you thought that was like random. It definitely was random, but yeah, they're just funny. And I like the topics that they talk about. So if you're looking for a good podcast, definitely recommend. But yeah, this is basically the size that I go with the chunks and how I straighten it. And then I'll just like, after I spread it, I just comb it out a little more and then go on and straighten it. But yeah, easy peasy lemon squeezy. It just takes a long time. finally done one side of my hair. This is what it looks like. Super long, oh my god. But yeah, now time to start the second half of my hair. Yeah. Alrighty guys, I'm finally done. Oh my goodness. Took me long enough. I realized why I don't really straighten my hair because it just takes so long. But I'm happy I did it because I really need a cut, and sometimes I just really like straightening my hair just because it shows me like my actual length, you know? So yeah, it's almost touching my butt, which is actually crazy. I feel like this is kind of like the longest I've ever had my hair, which is surprising, but yeah, it's in need of a major haircut, and I kind of want to like try different hairstyles. So I don't know if you guys know of any that would look good with my face shape, then definitely let me know. But yeah, that is basically it for this video. So if you haven't already, remember to like and subscribe, and definitely turn on that post notification bell. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!